Hello guys, this is Zerotech, and this is going to be my first video. It's just going to be a simple introduction. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to tell you a little bit about my machine and what I'm going to be doing with this channel. Okay, first off, to start off with the machine, it's a custom built machine. It's not a brand or anything like that. I do focus on mainly AMD products. It's mainly because of their price. I can afford them. It's basically the reason why I use them. And to me, they just usually last a lot longer for me. I do like Intel too. I have no problem with Intel, so don't start bashing on me, calling me biased because I like AMD. It has an AMD 8150 8-core processor. I have it overclocked to 3.90 right now. I have the standard cooling system that came with the processor, which is just a little heatsink with a fan on top of it. I'm going to be upgrading that to a water cooling system pretty soon. Just kind of low on the funds right now, so I'm using some old parts and some new parts. The new parts are, I have a AMD, which I already told you, processor. I have the 990FX R2.0 motherboard. I have 16 gigabytes of Vengeance RAM, 1600 megahertz. And I also have, well, it's actually the old video card from a previous build. It's a 550 Ti NVIDIA GPU. It's pretty low end, as you can see by my Windows Experience Index. I also have my old hard drive, which is a 5600 RPM, I'd say. Can't really remember off the top of my head, but it's a really slow hard drive. I'm just gonna say that right now. I'm pretty sure everybody else who uses computers or builds them knows a 5600 RPM is garbage. I'm going to be upgrading to a solid state for my operating system pretty soon, and a 10,000 RPM Raptor hard drive for my gaming. Just right now, like I said, low on funds, so can't really do much with that, but whatever. Okay, the hard drive, I already told you about that. It's pretty shitty. I also have a 1000 watt Corsair. I'd say it's a 1000 watt. I'm not sure. Thought it was 900, but I don't think they make 900s. Hang on. Yeah, it's a 1000. It's a 1000 watt Corsair power supply. It's a really good power supply. I've actually been using it for quite a bit now. Have no issues with it. Have no issues with any of my hardware at the moment, except for the GPU, of course, and the hard drive. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing with this channel is how-to videos. Whatever y'all need, whatever y'all want. If y'all want me to show you how to build a computer, I can do that. That'll have to come a little bit later in the channel, but I can definitely show you guys how to do that. For now, I'm going to stick to mainly software points, such as little things like how to modify Windows 8, even Windows 7. I do have Windows 7 on this machine as well. I have a hard drive with Windows 8 on it. It's a 7200 RPM for the Windows 8. It's the 5600 for my Windows 7. I have an external, which is 1000 gigabyte. That's why it's called Tera. I have a little slave drive, which is also a 5600 RPM hard drive. This is just partition off of my Windows 7 hard drive, so that's nothing really. Yeah, this is everything on here is basically standard. I have a few separate hard drives, like I said, and that's actually about it, guys. Leave me a comment on what y'all want to see. Give me some tips, maybe how I can improve on these videos if y'all have any tips. Pretty sure y'all will. I haven't made a video in a very long time, so really rusty on that one, guys. So any tips you leave will be fine. Just don't be a dick, please. A lot of dicks on YouTube, so alright, catch you guys later.